Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Sugar Hill today. We got a $420 job to do. There's a mix of Berber carpet and regular cut pile carpet. There's Berber in the basement, the stairs, a couple other areas. We're in the basement right now. We're going to walk you through. It's a really large job, obviously. They're moving out. And they're trying to get everything clean before they put it on the market. Carpet's in pretty bad shape. The upstairs is the worst. They haven't had the carpets cleaned in over 10 years. We got some spotting here. So it's in pretty bad shape. Living room, dining room here is got several red clay spots in it. Some other spottages here by the door. Some red clay, looks like from the estate sale. Got some more Berber carpet. More stairs that are obviously Berber. Upstairs is in pretty bad shape too. Like I said, carpet hasn't been done in 10 years or so. Got some spots here in the hallway. Got some spots in this bedroom here. I've already discussed with the homeowner initial walkthrough that everything's probably not coming out, which she tried to beat me to the punch on that and said she wasn't expecting that. She just wanted to freshen it up before they put it on the market. Which is obviously understandable. She's actually expecting whoever purchased the house to replace everything, but she just wanted to tidy things up, which we're happy to do. So that's that. Like I said, it's a $420 job. We're going to be here a while. So we got 3 floors to do. We got the upstairs, stairs, 3 or 4 areas on the main floor, and then a couple areas in the basement. So stay tuned for the after. Alright guys, as you can see, it's 12:30. Come in, zoom there. Now it's 12:24. We just finished this $420 job. Everything looks great. Customer was ecstatic with the results. There were some problem spots, as I discussed on the way in, and covered with her, which she completely understood. Like I said, the important thing is she was ecstatic with the outcome, which is always the goal. I think I started in the basement before, but we're starting upstairs now. Trap panel all came out over here. Remember, there's a lot of spots right here in the hallway, and there's a bunch of spots in this bedroom here. This bedroom is in pretty good shape. The main floor room was the 2 problem areas. Cut this light off. We used about 5 gallons of cleaner. Pretty heavily soiled job. Especially in these 2 rooms here, if you recall. These 2 rooms were horrible. But they look great now. I'll spare you the trip to the basement. The area there was pretty bad too. So there we go, $429 job, dozens and dozens of spots. Again, customer extremely happy, that's always the goal. OMG carpet cleaning, no per spot fees, no upsells or things of that nature. 404-500-9853 or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Always be humble and kind. Take care. We'll see you next time. We got 2 more jobs to knock out today, and it'll be the weekend. Take care.